Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. This is a price analysis update on reserve rights. We'll take a look at it in both USDT and the BTC pairings and identify a few key levels where we could potentially invest or where we could either look to take profit or accumulate. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. This video is in partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro. If you want to get one step ahead of the game, go ahead and check their platform out. You'll see a full platform review on the front page of my website. Lots going on there. Vortex scores, which gives well-researched, backed historical data of assets, whether they've performed well or poorly in the past. And then we have Newsquakes, which is the same thing that reporters get in Cointelegraph. As soon as a news article is released or a piece of information, you get to know about it firsthand, so you can act on that, whether that be a bullish or bearish scenario. You'll find a link for that in the pinned comment and the description of this video. So, reserve rights, Tether, 4-hour time frame. This is the Huobi chart. Last time I was looking at this, we had this option up here, but I'm just going to put the top there. I was looking for a drawdown towards this region of this 382 level. We had a push up over the last couple of, well, yesterday wasn't it, on Bitcoin. We pushed up to 49k and then we've rejected so far. And if you can see on my right side, everything's a little bit red. It depends what's going to go on really. If Bitcoin just starts pushing up, we're not going to get any orders filled down here. I think this is a new level here. But just need to monitor the situation, see what goes on. All we can do is put orders in place, and if they hit, then happy day. So if you're looking to invest in reserve rights, I think there's a good chance that you could get some orders filled here, so we'll move that up, and that is the area. So from current, well, from the top there, it'd be like a 10% drop, but that's 3.3 cent. If the market does get a little bit ropey and things start getting shaken out, then you also have a level here at around 3.1 cent. So there's two levels there. I would consider placing some orders in. They may not hit, but there's always that possibility that they could. So you've got 3.3 cent all the way down to 3.1, and if we did do a golden ratio retracement, that would be that level that you'd pick up some orders there. Looking at the money flow indicator, it is in positive territory, and if you look on the daily time frame, exactly the same. Well, it's indecisive, isn't it? I mean, we're just pushed into a red now. Yesterday we were looking with the green, but look at that entire bearish period there. The signs and glimpses of things starting to get positive now, and look at that, we've had a really great rise from the bottom in terms of a price range from the bottom to the current top. We've done a 40% rise. This is just the beginning in my opinion. Let's just have a zoom out and see what's going on over the entire picture. So this here is the trend really. I mean, the trend that we've been in for quite a while, a downtrend ever since we hit those highs up at 11 cent. It's been down, we've come back up, retested it. I've marked this green area up. This is a solid level of resistance at 6 cent. As you can see, it was support here, and then it was resistance, and then it's resistance again. So that is a key level, but just getting rid of that fib now. That's your buy zones at 3.1 to 3.37. We need to look at this in a bullish perspective, and to be in a bullish phase, we need to break through this area here. So you're talking about 4.2 cent. We need to break through that. If you're a little bit indecisive, I mean, you're thinking, right, I don't want to buy till we're in an uptrend, because we're not in an uptrend yet. We need to break above this. Once we do break above this could give you a good time to buy. So if you're looking at buys, maybe wait for something similar like this. So with impulse move up, we wait for a breakout at around 4 cent, 4.2. Then your time to buy is a retest of that trend before we then do push up and start targeting that 6.1 cent area. So maybe hold fire, wait till we get a breakout. I wouldn't worry about counting a few cent here and a few cent there. You need to wait if you're still indecisive to find out whether we are in that uptrend, and that will be a key indicator. Once we do break above 4 cent, 4.1, that is the area when I think should be time to throw the kitchen sink in at it. Maybe wait for that retest there and then buy in. So you're looking for a breakout at 4.3, 4.4. And then that is it, 3.7 cent could be your entry here. But for me, I've been loading up as much as I can down here. Long term, I'm bullish on this asset. I managed to get some ridiculously cheap orders down here at 2.7 cent. I managed to pick some all the way down here at 1.7 cent. And I've been loading up as much as I can on this. And any spare money I've got goes straight into reserve rights. For me, it is one of the most solid assets out there. Mainnet coming up within the next few months. Just looking at areas to take profit though. If we do just blast through this and you're thinking, right Andy, I want to take profit, I want to take 10% of my bag away, or I just want to sell a little bit to accumulate. This is the first region I would consider taking profit is 6.2 to 6.3 cent. I think we will reject off there, whether it be a small rejection and then a blast through or a bigger rejection, unclear yet. I mean, if you're looking at this region here, where's my pencil? We could obviously break up here, come back down and retest this level here or retest this level here. So you're talking a drop there or a drop there and then a push up either way. But that is the first area I would look to take profit if you're looking to accumulate. Personally, I'm not. I'm looking to just hold on for dear life towards the end of this year and see how the market goes, because I'm expecting this bull run to continue. I know it's been shit since May, really. I mean, we've had one bullish month, which was August. Things start to turn around. September's been horrific, hasn't it? But now I think that it is time for a real rise. Historically, October to December are bullish months. So for me, buy now, hold on, and things are going to look great in the next few months. Just take a look at a BTC pair. In terms of a technical point of view, it doesn't look too great, to be honest. I mean, we've rejected off, you could say that, I mean, there's not even a trend here. It's just been pretty much sideways ever since, hasn't it? It's been malingering around this region here. We're down at 83 satoshis. Less than 100 sats is an absolute steal, but I think there still could be some opportunities to buy lower. If you're looking at this red level here, 60 sats, I think when BTC does go on a run, because I'm expecting 60k this month, if that does happen, the Satoshi pairs will get wrecked and you might get some orders filled down here at 60 sats. And then obviously the first major area is here to break through at 110, but I'm not going to dive into that pair too much because, like I said, I'm still expecting BTC to go on a run and regain some market dominance. Buys down here, I think, will be filled at around 60 satoshis. I'm not going to look at any levels above. So that's going to do it for price analysis on that today. Just one thing I want to show you is my new area. If you want some extra content and you want to support this channel, this is a dedicated platform to, we have a private Discord and plenty of things that you can do. You can obviously request charts, request videos. So if you want me to cover a different video on my YouTube channel, you can do that. Chart requests, review your portfolio, access to my full library with lots of information here. I've got full write-ups on plenty of things. So we've got DeFi, what DeFi is, what masternodes, and coming soon I will be doing a course which will be available to everybody on the platform as well, as long as you are a member, and that will be a trading course at some stage in the future. So that's going to do it for today's video. Like I say, you'll find the links to all this in the pinned comment and the description of the video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.